Hi everyone, Guillaume here. I want to show you today the contingency tables and the cross tabulations for survey analysis. If you're wondering how I ended up on this page, then I would suggest that you watch the end-to-end automated analysis video, and that will show you how I submitted my survey data and got to these insights within a few minutes using Inspirient. The first thing I want to show you is the most relevant deviations across all our contingency tables, and for that we go to this section here, which gives us an actual presentation of our top 10 deviations. So it starts with an executive summary, it follows by a list of the top 10 deviations, and then we can have a chart for each one of those deviations. And what we can also do, which is quite nice, we can download that presentation as a PDF and share it around with our colleagues. Another way to look at the contingency tables is via the generated Excel file, which you can get via the download center. And so here it is. Let me just download that file and have a quick look in there. And on the first sheet, we have a table of contents. So this is listing every contingency table, and we have 113 of them. And what we've done is calculated the contingency table for every demographic variable compared to every survey response variable. And what we have is, in this table of contents, we've also got the statistics from the analysis. We've got some nice indicators of the number of deviations in there. And we've also got links directly to the files. So let me just pick one. Let's go to table 17. Okay. And here we see a classic contingency table. We also see that we have some nice notes here, which tell us about missing values. There weren't any missing values in this table. We have the statistics from our analysis, and also we carry out an association analysis using Kramer's V, and that's also here. Let me see if I can find another table with some deviations in there, because they get highlighted. Yeah, here's one. We have 3 deviations highlighted in orange, which is rather nice. Also, we have on the total column a coloring system where green is telling us that we have a rather large number of samples, and orange is less than 80, and if there were less than 30 samples, then we would be highlighting that in red. So now switching back to the web application, I'd like to show you the cross tabulations now. So we have another report which generates all the cross tabulations, and we can view that. Again, it comes with an executive summary and followed by all the cross tabulations. And again, we can also download that as a PDF and share it around. Okay, so in this video I showed you the contingency tables and the cross tabulations for survey analysis. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to learn more about our other features, then please have a look at the other videos, and looking forward to seeing you soon. Thanks everyone, bye!